We talk about evolution, survival of the fittest. Adaptations help species survive so their offspring can thrive, and species evolve, which means they change over time. Evolution, change over time. Species compete to stay alive. In natural selection, some species will die. Only the best adapted will survive. Evolution, change over time. Fossils prove the history of life. Similar anatomy is the reason why there's a common ancestor between you and I. Let's learn about the theory of evolution. Over time, genes will change in a population. It occurs through the process of natural selection. Among species, there is genetic variation. Some traits give species better adaptations, so some are more fit to survive their situation. So these genes are passed on to the species kids. How do we know all this? Thank Charles Darwin, a naturalist. He observed that over time, the exchange in finches, based on their environment, some were more fit. He called this survival of the fittest. So the strongest species are still with us. Evolution, change over time. Species compete to stay alive. In natural selection, some species will die. Only the best adapted will survive. Evolution, change over time. Fossils prove the history of life. Similar anatomy is the reason why there's a common ancestor between you and I. Let's learn about the concept of common descent. Species share an ancestor between them. All species come from other species with changes. This is called descent with modification. Over millions of years, species inherited mutations in certain habitats. These traits gave them adaptations like camouflage or mimicry. A phenotype was hard to see, or a species used trickery to stay alive so it could survive, to pass down the genes. That's called heredity. Humans did not evolve from monkeys, but share a common relative of the ape. Evidence shows we have 98% of the same DNA. Evolution is supported with embryology. Look how embryos of species are the same. Vertebrates look similar in the beginning stage. Over time, all species will change. Evolution, change over time. Species compete to stay alive. In natural selection, some species will die. Only the best adapted will survive. Evolution, change over time. Fossils prove the history of life. Similar anatomy is the reason why there's a common ancestor between you and I. How can we see that evolution has occurred? Many species have homologous structures. Different species have bones that share a name. Their function is different, but their structure is the same. And species share analogous structures. They may look different, but their function is similar. Vestigial organs are traces left over. Living things evolved from a common ancestor.